Thinking about investing in crypto but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll break down the essentials every beginner needs to know, without all the confusing jargon. Whether you're brand new or just crypto curious, this is the video I wish I had when I started. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money, but it's much more than that. Unlike cash or credit cards, crypto isn't controlled by a bank or government. It runs on a system called the blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital notebook that records every single transaction, and it's shared across thousands of computers around the world. Once something's written in that notebook, it can't be changed. That's what makes crypto secure, transparent, and decentralized. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, or BTC, is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, is the second most popular crypto. It powers many smart contracts and decentralized applications. There are also thousands of other less-known coins that serve different purposes. But don't worry about all of them yet. We'll focus on the essentials first. So how does it actually work? Here's a simple example. Let's say I want to send you $20 worth of Bitcoin. I open my wallet app, input your wallet address, and hit send. That transaction is then verified by the blockchain, like a digital receipt, and recorded forever. There's no bank involved, no credit card company, and no middleman. It's peer-to-peer, and the blockchain makes sure everything is secure and legit. You'll use crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Binance to buy and sell crypto, and wallets to store it. More on wallets in a minute, because that's really important. But for now, just remember, exchanges are like marketplaces where you buy and sell crypto. Wallets are where you store your assets safely. If you're familiar with using Venmo or Cash App, the experience is actually not that different. It's just built on different technology. Before you ever buy your first crypto coin, here are 3 crucial things you must understand. 1. Volatility. Crypto is extremely volatile. That means prices can rise or crash fast. You could gain 30% in a day, or lose it just as quickly. That's why you should only invest what you can afford to lose, especially at the beginning. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's an investment, and all investments carry risk. 2. Wallets. Hot versus cold. A wallet is how you store your crypto. A hot wallet is connected to the internet, great for quick access and trading. A cold wallet is offline, great for long-term storage and security. If you're holding larger amounts, consider getting a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Exchanges can be hacked. If it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. 3. DYOR. Do your own research. This is the golden rule in crypto. Don't just buy something because you saw it on Reddit or Twitter. Research the project. What problem is it solving? Who is behind it? Is there real utility, or is it just hype? Being informed is your best defense against scams and bad decisions. Now let me walk you through the basic steps on how to get started safely and confidently. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. Use platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance.us if you're in the US. Look for platforms with strong security and beginner-friendly interfaces. Step 2. Verify your identity. You'll need to upload your ID to comply with regulations. This is a standard process. Step 3. Fund your account. You can connect your bank account or use a debit card to fund your exchange account. Step 4. Buy your first crypto. Start small, maybe $10 or $25 of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 5. Set up a wallet. If you're planning to hold long-term, move your crypto to a personal wallet. Exchanges are great for trading, but not ideal for storage. That's it. You're now officially invested in the crypto marketplace. Okay, now let's talk about frequent mistakes made by new investors in the crypto space. 1. FOMO. Buying or fear of missing out. Don't just buy because something is pumping. 2. Investing too much, too fast. Start small and learn as you go. 3. Ignoring security. Use 2FA strong passwords and don't click sketchy links. 4. Holding only meme coins. Dogecoin and similar tokens are fun, but not reliable long-term investments. Focus on solid projects. 5. Panicking during dips. The market moves in cycles. Learn to zoom out and look at a more broad perspective. Crypto can feel complicated at first, but once you understand the basics, it opens up a whole new world of opportunities. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I've got a whole beginner series coming your way. Step-by-step tutorials, strategy guides, and honest crypto talk. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching and welcome to the exciting world of crypto.